Hey everyone, this is Jhalak and welcome to my channel Sassy Ornate. So today I am going to show you how I made my old kurti into a new looking dress. For this I have just take a cloth goes with my kurti, so I've taken that. I made it a drap kind of dress so that I can just drap it over something whenever I wanted to, because it is really colorful, and if I'll wear it with like basic clothes, so it's gonna really give me a look that is going to be different. But I made this because it's gonna give me both traditional as well as like Indo-Western look, so I did it. If you don't know how to stitch, it's really easy. You can just go check it out on YouTube on other videos and you'll just get a gist of it, and then you can easily try to do it. And there I have not done any kind of like proper professional stitching. I have just used really simple one so that you guys can also do it. And if you don't want to stitch, you can even prefer fabric glue. And yes, so now let's see how I did transformation of my kurti into a drap over. So let's see. And yes, before that, do hit the like button if you like my video, and subscribe my channel for more such kind of videos. And if you want a video on something specifically, then comment it down. I'll make it for sure for you guys. So now let's see.
So this is my kurta that I'm going to transform, and as you can see it has a slit at the center. The buttons are detachable. Now what I'll do is I'll unfold the part that is attaching the upper part and lower part, and here I have unstitched it. Now I'm going to unstitch this kurta from the bottom so that I can attach some other piece of cloth in order to increase the length of this kurta. And now I have unstitched the bottom part, and I am able to gather at least 1 to 2 inch length. So now what I'm going to do is I'll attach another piece of cloth with it. So I'm going to use this cloth with my kurta. I have taken the cloth of same material. If you want to take any other kind of material, it's up to you, you can take it. The procedure will remain the same. So I have taken this as I thought this is a bright color and it would look really good with this colorful kurta. Now I'll take this piece of cloth and I'll cut two pieces of 1 centimeter length and 6 to 8 inches broadness. Always remember to take some extra cloth if you can, because if something miss out then it can cover. Otherwise, if you have once cut a piece, then it's gone. Okay, now let's come back. Now I have folded the piece of cloth according to my length and broadness that I want. The cloth was itself of 1 meter length, so I don't have to cut it according to the length. What I have taken is I have measured the broadness, and for me I have taken it 10 inches, so I have cut that accordingly. And now I have these two pieces with me, and now I'll attach these two pieces end together and I'll stitch both the ends together, and here it is. Okay, when I went for stitching, I realized that I am taking 2-meter piece for covering the bottom part of the kurti, but the way I want to cover it is by gathering the cloth. So for that it is less, because it's gonna cover only half of the kurti accordingly, because I am gonna gather the cloth, so the 2-meter is going to become 1 meter if I'll gather it. So I have to cut 2 more strips of same broadness and length to cover whole area of the kurta. So now I have increased the length of the strip, so now it's 4-meter overall. Now I have done the stitching on one side. As you can see, it's just a plain stitching. You just have to put the cloth on the machine and then just sew it straight. And what I have done is I have folded the bottom part so that I could get a defined edge. And now what I'm going to do is I'll stretch one of the thread to gather the cloth at one place. So now I'm going to stretch this one thread and I'll gather the piece like this. So you just have to stretch that one thread and have to drag the cloth back, and then it will start gathering like this. As I'm showing you, you have to do this all over this 4-meter cloth, and be very careful while stretching, because if the thread cuts off or broke from the middle, then no other option will be left. You have to do all over again, so be careful while doing it. And once you have done that, then it's gonna look like this, and we'll attach this piece with our kurti at the bottom by stitching. If you want to do it with something else, you can also prefer that, it's up to you. Okay, now I have done with my bottom part, and now what I want is I want to attach something over here to so that I can tie it up. And here I'm going to attach a strip of same cloth that I have used at the bottom. So now I'm going to cut the strips for this. So here I'm going to cut one strip of broadness 4 inch and of length 1 meter, and then I'll cut that 1 meter strip into 2 equal halves. And now I'm going to stitch this strips like this. Here I have done the stitching. I have made a sleek tiny end, and once I have stitched it, I am then going to fold this strip upside down so that I can get a good side, and then I'll attach those two pieces with my kurta. And after that I am going to move towards the neck portion. I want a V shape, so I'll wear it and I'll mark the portion accordingly. And when I have marked the portion, I'll cut that area. Obviously I'll leave some portion so that I can fold the edges. I'll fold the edges by sewing, and after that I am done with my whole kurta. And after that I have transferred into a really pretty dress or drap. So here's the look.